Another easy way to go about sequencing the items in the gradebook in Sakai is to just simply use the drag and drop function. Now, if you've got a lot of screen real estate, this works out really well because you can, and it's pretty elegant in the sense that you can just simply drag an item. So I'm just going to click on this chapter 1 summary and I'm going to click and drag it so it basically appears between these two items right here, between the chapter 2 summary and the annotated bibliography. So I'm going to select it right here, and we'll just drag and drop it there. And then chapter 1 is now the first one, and chapter 2 is the second one in the sequence. Again, I can use the item order area, which allows me to do much of the same sort of thing, although in a different sort of view. And then if you're looking to try and organize the categories, if you're using categories only or categories in weighting to calculate or to display your overall course grades, then you're going to want to organize those differently. You can do or use a different method to organize and sequence the actual categories. To do so, you're going to want to go to Settings in the Grades area, or the My Gradebook or Gradebook area. And then when you get down to the grading categories and weighting area, this is where you can change the sequence of those items. So on the left hand side, you've got the handle or the hamburger here, where you can just simply click and drag those to be in the sequence that you want. So if you want the reading to be first, then you can put that first and drag the other ones into the sequence you want as you have preference. Once you're done, then click down here on the Save Changes area, and then when you get back to the actual grades area, reset the tool. Then you should see that the reading category is first, and then the rest of the sequence follows, even if you go into the item order area. Hope that helps.